Alright guys, we got a 5 kilogram roll of filament here because my mom asked for a 27-inch duck for her porch. So that's what we're about to make her. Stay tuned while this thing prints. It's going to be massive, but it's going to be so cool. Okay guys, you're going to have to check this out. I know I told you guys we were printing my mama Goose for her porch, but check this little critter out. He is about to go on the board down there, and he's going to be 27 inches tall. So, you know, let's see how tall that looks in perspective. Let's see. Okay, so we're going to be about, let's see, about this tall. So off the ground, he will stand about up to, I don't know, when he's done, he might be about there, 27 inches. So it's printing. We look on the board here, it's going to be 27 inches tall. So you can imagine that's a pretty tall goose. All right, let's shut this thing so it can go back to printing. It says it's going to take 1 day, or let's see, it's going to take 30 hours and 54 minutes. Seven hours and 45 minutes is how long it took to get this goose printed. So I think we're gonna get this thing off here. So it actually printed really good. I printed it with a 1mm nozzle. So we're gonna see if we can, how easy this thing is to remove here. But we've got our big goose. I should make one and turn it into a piggy bank, but she came out really nice, and the supports seem like they are not on there super crazy. Let's see. Yeah, actually came off really good. Just a little bit of cleanup to do, and then we'll have to clean up the side supports. But yeah, let's see what she looks like. I think that's a pretty cool 3D printed goose. Let's see if we can get these side supports off easy. Looks like it. Looks like they're gonna come off pretty good. Oh yeah. Not too bad. Not for doing them by hand, it's not too bad. Let's see here. Little support here on that back wing. The bottom part's probably going to be the biggest thing. So let's see. I don't know if I can get those removed by hand, but if we can't, then we'll have to cut them down and see. Yeah, no, I'm not going to be able to, but that's okay. We got tools for that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to get some tools to take that off. So. All right. Anyways, take our first look here at our goose. These things are gonna be on here pretty good. I didn't think they were, but it seems like they're on there. Yeah, they're on there pretty good. Probably gonna have to trim down some of these. Yeah, probably have to grab the clippers and grab a pair of these cutters and see if we can maybe trim down some of these branches. Oh man, those are big branches too, geez. We got our Goose. All right, Goose. Gotta get these supports off here. There we go. Woo. A little workout, but we're getting it. Those supports though on this are really needed because that's the support for the main body. So I think once we get this off, the other part should come off fairly good. Sometimes you can get through the bottom like that and get them to break the support loose. Sometimes. Whew. Okay. So I use the hybrid support on this one, so it has a little bit better chances not to fail when you print with things like this. Wonder how much it weighs. We should see once I get this off here.
You want to take bets?
So, yeah, I'll say probably.
You're weighing it with the support on.
Maybe.
Oh, I shouldn't have said anything.
I see. Okay. Well, I got to get this major support off here first, but that might be a little. I might have to get one of the files. So, okay, let me grab some more tools here. Oh, hold on. Maybe not. Oh, got that big patch off there. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Came off smooth. Very nice. Okay, so this piece is on there. Okay, so now we got this tool, and what this is chisel, but I sharpened it, so we have a little bit of a sharper point to get these supports off here. You can feel when they start to break apart and break loose, because sometimes these supports are on there in a couple places where they bond pretty good, so gotta get in there and break it loose. There we go. And then just a little cleanup under here. Little heat treatment. We'll take off our little feet brim. Yeah, not too much cleanup. There we go.
Very cool.
There we go.
All right, how much do you think he weighs?
Okay, let's see. I'll say, I don't know, that might be about 4.5 to 5 pounds.
Oof, we're probably going to be really close. Hold on, let me see. I'm gonna say 3.75 pounds.
Oh geez, okay, 3.75. Okay, so my wife and I, she's recording right now, but she said this thing is gonna weigh 3.75 pounds, and I said it's gonna weigh about 4.5. So we're about to find out. We've got our scale here. We've got to get it, make sure it's ready to go. We're gonna calibrate it. Okay, got that set up, and then it'll go to 0. And when it goes to 0, then we'll be ready to let it go. Ooh, anticipation.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Uh-oh, here we go, you ready? Sure?
Mm-hmm.
Are you? Wait.
Sure.
Oh. All right, here we go. Oh. Oh. All them little ounces matter. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, 2 pounds, 15.5-ish ounces. I was so wrong. You were closer.
So who was closer?
You were.
Uh-huh.
Nice.
Very cool though.
That was awesome. It came out really good.
Are we gonna name him?
Yeah, we should clean it up and we should take a picture on the porch.
Okay.
It came out really good, and it's hollow.
Yeah.
Lightweight. Awesome. All right.
His name is Doug.
Doug? All right. Doug. Teach me how Dougie.
That's right.
Okay, so we got Doug outside here, and so far he's super impressed. He's not a big fan of the dogs, but he loves the outdoors.